Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue on location out in Austin, Texas. Forgive the wire coming from my ears, but I once again, like I said in the last video, every time I get ready to travel, I set all my recording equipment on the side, and this is the second time in a row that we've traveled, and I've forgotten my wireless microphones. So I'm resigned to using the microphone on this earpiece here. So hopefully the audio is decent. Okay, so we're still here in Austin, and we've got a few more days left here, and so we going to be cooking some pulled pork today using the Masterbuilt 30-inch vertical electric smoker behind me, the one that we bought uh, for my son. Okay, so um, one, like I said before, so far the Masterbuilt 30-inch has been working very well. We cleaned it up last night, so right now we have it set at 275. Um, just trying to burn a little bit of the Dawn and stuff out of it that we used to wipe down the inside of it, because the two chickens that we did yesterday, and I'll put the iCard up here on the screen, were really greasy, and we didn't have the water pan in there. So today we're going to be using the water pan and putting some either Coke or just plain water. I'm probably just going to go with just plain water today. All right, so in the preparation of the pork butt, what we did was, it's a 9-pound pork butt. We cleaned it up, and then wanted to do something different for the injection. So we took some Modelo beer, and then we mixed it with Tony's butter injection. Okay, and then we injected the pork butt as much as we could up until injection was coming out of every hole. Okay, and then we coated the pork butt with some mustard. We did the traditional mustard binder, and then we seasoned the pork butt with my 5-spice blend that I've been using quite a bit lately. Um, so I'll put the ingredients for the 5-spice blend down in the description block if you want to try it out. Then feel free to add whatever you want to it. But I love the way it tastes. I like the chili powder and the paprika, and how it all plays well together. So I may add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it, or another different pepper to it, to give it a little bit more kick, a little bit more oomph. But for right now, that's what we're going to be rolling with. So we're going to be cooking at, like I said, 275 degrees. Um, and we do intend to wrap in foil today, because my son doesn't have any butcher paper. So I'm going to have to take him shopping for some barbecue equipment. So, and then and we don't have an infrared thermometer, so I'll be using the normal thermometer that he has. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and get the prep work done, and let's get the pork butt on the Masterbuilt 30-inch vertical electric smoker. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys. So it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to finish the video last night because what we did was I kind of messed up the video. Didn't get a chance to show us pulling the pork butt off of the smoker once it reached 203 degrees. But it got to 203 degrees. We pulled it off and we put it in a cooler wrapped in a towel, and we let it sit in there for 2 hours. Now that's the most important thing when doing a pork butt, is that you don't want to try to pull it immediately after it comes off the smoker unless you just press for time. But if you plan properly, the best thing you can do is to let that pork butt sit in a cooler, stay in the foil or in your butcher paper for at least 2 hours after it comes off the smoker. Okay, that'll allow all the juices to come back into it. It'll allow the meat to relax, and then when you grab it, as you can see here, it'll just fall apart. All right, so remember that, plan accordingly and wait. So my son said one of his friends commented on Facebook about me starting to cook at so early in the morning. Actually, I started it late because I wanted to start at 5 o'clock in the morning because the pork butt can take anywhere from 6 to 8 to 10 hours, depending on the size of the pork butt, how long the stall is, and the smoker that you're cooking on. Okay, so we didn't, like I say, we didn't get to pull the pork until about 8 o'clock last night. So the pork came out great. It was moist. It had that buttery flavor from the injection. Couldn't really taste the beer. I'm assuming the beer helped to tenderize it and keep it moist. We seasoned it after it got pulled. We hit it some more with the 5-spice blend, and then we hit it with some G. Hughes sugar-free original barbecue sauce, and mixed it all together, and it came out fantastic. So that's it. This is probably gonna be my last video from Austin. We'll be heading back home next week, and then I'll be back at the Bad Beast Barbecue headquarters doing some videos there. So thanks for watching. Masterbuilt, if you're watching, hey, we would love to do more collaborations with you guys. So I'd love to add a Masterbuilt to the arsenal back at Bad Beast headquarters. So hit me up, and we can get some things done. So, but that's about it. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.